Today we will introduce this new teeth cleaning kit, New Teeth Eraser. This product is an upgrade on the basis of the old teeth cleaning kit. It is also a product as a deep dental cleaning, used to clean the tartar tooth stains that cannot be removed by our daily brushing. The tartar is wiped off, the true color of the teeth is quickly restored. Let's talk about the dental cleaning principle of this product. To promote the function of teeth eraser, it is the melamine sponge on the triangular head. This is a compressed melamine sponge, adopt pure physical scaling. No chemical additives in it, dip it in water. The microfibers inside will form capillaries, which have a very strong adsorption effect. It can quickly absorb stains because of smoking, drink tea, red wine, coffee. And tartar stains caused by food residues will not irritate and will not sour teeth. Quickly and easily remove tartar, a DIY product for dental cleaning.